Hey, hi. Today the topic is converting given fraction to decimal number. Okay. They will give a fraction. You have to convert that fraction into decimal number. How? I will explain you with an example. The fraction given fraction is 12 by 5. So this is a fraction. This is in the form a by b. Here a is 12, b is 5, and b is not equal to 0. B means here 5 is not equal to 0. So that's why this is the fraction. So this is the numerator. This is the denominator. Okay. Now, how to convert this fraction into a decimal number? Decimal number, for example, decimal number means I will give an example. Say for example 231.458. Okay, this is called decimal number. So decimal number is a number that consists of two parts. This is one part, this is one part. This part is called whole number part, and this is called fractional part. This is whole number part. This is fractional part. Okay, so separated by a decimal point. This is a decimal point. Okay, so a decimal number is a number. A decimal number is a number that consists of two parts, namely whole number part and the fractional part, and these two are separated by a decimal point. So that is the definition of decimal number. Whole number part. What are whole numbers? This whole set of whole numbers starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till infinity. This I have explained in a video. Okay, so it comes in this on the screen. You check if you want, because I have already explained these whole numbers in detail in a video. Okay, so that video comes on the screen. Check it once if you want. Okay, next, fractional part. This part is less than unit. Unit means 1. Less than unit. For example, 0.5. So this 0.5 is less than 1. 0.25 is less than 1. So this part is less than a unit. I mean less than 1, and this part is a fractional part. Okay. So regarding definition of this decimal number, just know this definition and meaning. Don't go in depth. Okay. Concentrate on solving problems. Okay. Okay, now I will go to this fraction. Okay, I have taken 12 by 5. Okay. So first what you have to do to convert this fraction into a decimal number, you just need to divide this numerator 12 divided by this denominator 5. You have to just divide. So I will explain you the division process. So first what you have to do, first write like this first. First write like this. Here write this denominator. In this place, here don't write anything now. This 12 you write here. Okay, this 12. I will show. I have to write some numbers here, so I will show arrow mark in other direction. Okay. Next, what we have to do, you write the table of 5 on right side somewhere for your convenience to understand. Okay, this one, table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 6, so 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, so on. You can write 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now, in this case, you mainly concentrate on this part and this part. This 5 is same here because we have, this is the table of 5. This 5 is here. I mean, okay. This 5 is already taken here. So here all should be 5s only. This column. So this is the table of 5. So denominator is 5. You have to write the table of this denominator 5. This is the table of. And while doing division process, you focus on these columns. This and this. This is also important, but during division process you should mainly concentrate on this and this column, this and this. Okay, now first what you have to do, consider the first digit of this 12. Okay, 12. So first digit of this 12, this is the 1, right? 1. Now in this column you have to check here. These are called multiples. Okay, multiples of 5. These are called multiples. Okay. In this column, what you have to check means, so here first digit is 1. First you have to consider this digit. What is 1? You check whether this 1 exists in this column. See here? Whether 1 is not there. Exactly 1 is not there. So next what you have to do, you check other number in this column which is less than 1. Okay, so here 0 less than 1. See, if you take 5 is greater than 1 now. This 5 is greater than 1 now. This 0 is less than 1. So we have a digit less than 1. First I said na, check the digit if 1 is there. If not there, you have to check other digit which is less than 1. So while checking other digit which is less than this 1, you check in this direction. Okay, don't check from this direction. I mean bottom to top. Okay. So 1 is not there. So less than 1 is 0 only. Yeah. So you know what you have to do. You put this 0 here. Okay. Then this corresponding 0. Okay. This 0 you put here. Okay. 0. Next here you have to subtract this 0 from this 1. Minus means you are subtracting. Okay. See, 1 minus 0, we get 1 only. Okay. Now, see, if there are no other digits after this 1 in this 12, okay. Once again, if there are no other digits after this 1 and this digit, this will become the remainder. This 1 will become the remainder. But after this 1, we have considered this 1 to divide, and after simplification we got this 1. This 1 is the remainder if there are no other digits. But the thing is here after 1 there is another digit, 2 is there. So now 1 is not the remainder. Still there is a continuation of division process. So what we have to do next, we have to bring this 2 down. Okay, bring this down. Now next step is check whether this 12 is there or not. In this column you can see there is no 12. Exactly 12 is not there in this column, that last column. So what we have to do, check other number which is less than this 12. Less than this 12 means here see 10 is less than 12, 5 also less than 12, 0 also less than 12. Okay, so which digit we have to consider here? The first number which is less than 12, that you have to consider. First number is this 10. You can say first number is this, no, 0, no, this 10. Why? Because I told you check the number which is less than this 12 in this direction. Okay, bottom to top. When you check from bottom to down, the first number which is less than 12 is 10, not 0. When you check from top to bottom, the first number which is less than 12 is 0. But direction also important. Okay, from bottom to top, when you check the digits here, the first number, there are 3 numbers, 10, 5, 0. The first number in this direction which is less than 12 is this 10. Okay, now you write this 10 here. Okay, we write 10 here, and the corresponding number, this one, these two. Okay, 10 we have to write here, and this 2 in the same row. The number in this column is 2. These 2 you have to write here in this place. Two. Okay, next, like here, how we subtracted, same thing here. We have to subtract. Minus means subtraction. 12 minus 10 is what? 2. Next, see, in this 12, we have used this one, we have used this 2 also. There are no other digits after this 2. So, this is the remainder. This is the remainder. Remainder is 2 actually. But remember one thing, we need to convert this fraction into decimal number. So what you have to do, you have to continue the division process till you get this remainder as 0. Till then you have to continue. So okay, now we have got this remainder 2. To continue the division process, here there must be some digit to bring down here, like how we have taken this 2 here and divided this 12. To bring another digits to here, from here, see, there are no other digits here, nothing is there. After 2 there are no digits. So what we have to do here, what you have to do means, so this is the procedure. Now we have to put here one decimal point. Since you are putting a decimal point, you can add 1 0 here. Okay. Now you can divide, you can continue dividing. Now check whether this 20 exact 20 is present or not in this column. We can see 20 is there. Okay. So write this 20 here, and this corresponding 4 you have to write here. Okay. Now, like your subtraction, here put on line minus 20 minus 20, 0. This is the remainder. Remainder is it's a number that is left out after the complete division. So remainder we got 0. I said, to convert this fraction into a decimal number, we have to continue this division process till we get remainder as 0. So we got remainder as 0. So stop the division process. Stop the division process. Now what is the answer? This one, 0.4. So we have C now 0.2.4 here total, right? This is the answer 0.2.4. See 0.2.4. See, if this 0 existed here, I mean after decimal point here, okay, we cannot discard this. We cannot discard this. But the 0 exists here. Okay. So this is, I have already told, it's whole number part. Whole number part. See, remember in the whole number part, if the first digit is 0, we can discard and equate it to 2.4. Okay, so I just discarded this 0 because it's the first digit in this whole number part. 0 2 is the whole number part, first digit is 0, so 0 2 is equal to 2 only. So 0 2.4 is equal to 2.4. Now this is the answer, 2.4. So this, the given fraction 12 by 5 is equal to the decimal number 2.4. Okay. Yeah. So this is 2.4 is the answer. So we have converted this fraction into this decimal number. So this is the procedure to convert any fraction into decimal number. So main thing is what? We have to do the division process. I mean divide this numerator by 5. Okay. We have seen how is that. I have explained you. Okay. Thank you. See, if you want to say anything related to my teaching and related to this concept, please mention in the comment. I will proceed accordingly. And please, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.